Peptides. Are they an answer to sustainable health and well-being? Peptides, the fundamental building blocks of our bodies, play a pivotal role in maintaining and enhancing our health. These short chains of amino acids are integral to a myriad of biological processes, from healing and repair to the regulation of hormones. Given their critical role in the body, it's clear that peptides themselves are not inherently dangerous. Rather, they are essential for health and wellness. Peptide therapy, recognized for its high safety factor and FDA approval, underscores the therapeutic potential of these molecules. Our bodies naturally produce peptides, which means they are not foreign substances, but rather familiar tools used by our systems to promote healing and well-being. Despite their proven benefits and safety, there's a narrative suggesting that the most effective peptides have been restricted or banned, not due to health concerns, but because of the influence of powerful entities. The suggestion is that these restrictions are less about public safety and more about controlling access to treatments that could significantly improve health and longevity. This perspective raises questions about the availability of groundbreaking treatments and the motives behind regulatory decisions. It's important to note, however, that regulatory bodies often cite the need for further research, potential misuse, and side effects as reasons for such restrictions. The complexity of peptides' effects on the body and the potential for long-term impacts warrant cautious approach. In the realm of skincare and medical treatments, peptides have shown remarkable promise. From enhancing skin elasticity and reducing wrinkles to potentially aiding in the recovery from brain injuries, the applications are vast. Yet, the use of peptides labeled not for human consumption or for research use only highlights the regulatory and safety challenges in harnessing their full potential. The conversation around peptides is multifaceted, involving safety, efficacy, and accessibility. While it's crucial to navigate these issues with care, the underlying truth remains. Peptides are a cornerstone of biological health. The ongoing debate and research into peptide therapy reflect a broader quest for innovative, effective treatments that can unlock the full potential of our body's natural processes. So, peptides. Are they an answer to sustainable health and well-being? Fucking right they are. And if some dumb fuck tells you differently, you tell that un-American piece of shit to do some better research, cause all I am fucking seeing is good shit. This was brought to you by Cleverside Media, a media production company LLC in association with Clever Clip Productions and their sponsors.
Hey guys, wouldn't it be great if you just went to my channel and subscribed? It's easy, it's free. Link will be in the description.